Good afternoon, student. Here I am Dr. Kshatriya. Welcome in my YouTube channel, that is Dr. Kshatriya Amita. So today we are going to discuss some important MCQs and objectives for course number HVE 111, that is Human Values and Ethics. So let's start some questions related to this course number. So let's discuss some important objectives and MCQ for Human Values and Ethics. So first question, I'm directly taking the objectives here. Human values. What is the human values? It signifies the whole range of values which turn making human life meaningful, fulfilling and valuable. And the second objective, ethics, is the word refers to morals, values and belief of the individuals, family or the society. Third question, a third objective, what is the prosperity? Prosperity is a feeling of having more than required physical facilities. Then professional ethics. What is the professional ethics? Is the set of standards adopted by professional. Okay, so it is a set of standard adopted by the professionals. What is the environmental ethics? Environmental ethics is what? Is the study of moral issue concerning the environment and moral perspectives, belief and attitudes concerning those issues. That is your environmental ethics. What is the environmental ethics? It's having the moral issues concerning the environment and moral perspectives. Okay, then the next question number 6, trust or vishwas is the fundamental values in relationship. Okay, so this trust, or what we call in Marathi, that is vishwas, is the what? Fundamental values in relationship. Okay, then wealth. What is the wealth? Wealth is a physical thing. It means having money or having lot of physical facilities or having both. Okay, so wealth is nothing but is having money, having physical facilities, all the things which both physical facilities and money, that is your wealth. Then what is the word ethics derived from? The word ethics is derived from Greek word, that is ethikos. What? Ethikos, which means characters or manners. What is the human values? Human values are the principle standards, convictions and beliefs that people adopt as their guidelines in daily activities. Next is a question number 10. Ethical behavior is a dash driven, so it is a value driven. Okay, ethical behavior is a value driven. Then question number 11, most of the laws and legislation are shaped by human values. So whatever the laws are there or legislations are there, they are shaped by this human values. Okay, then the question 12, the word value is derived from Latin word. So which is that particular word? The word value is derived from Latin word which value, which originally meant strength. Okay, so word value is derived from the Latin word value. Then question number 13, a value is defined as a principle that promotes well-being or prevent harm. So that is your value. Okay, values, again values are the guidelines for our success, our paradigm about what is acceptable. Okay, so that is also your values. What is the personal values? Personal values define as emotional belief in principles regarded as particularly favorable or important for the individuals. Okay, so it is important, as name says that personal values is what? Okay, so what is the important, what is the favorable for a individual? Okay, so that is your personal value. Then question number 16, to be in the state or situation of harmony or synergy is happiness. Okay, so if you are in a situation of harmony or synergy is called as a happiness. To be in a state of disharmony is your unhappiness. Okay, so it is a opposite. And the basic requirement to fulfill basic human aspirations are, what are that three things? That is a right understanding, okay, then right relationship and physical facilities. So these three are the things are there which is required. So what are the fundamental values? Fundamental values: right conduct, peace, truth, love, non-violence. Okay, so these are the fundamental values. Then what is the love? Love is a kindness, caring, empathy and compassion. So these are the love. The what is a happiness and unhappiness? Happiness, the state or situation in which we are alive. It is we call as harmony or synergy, or we want to live in that particular state or situation, or we would like to be in that particular situation, is called as a happiness. Okay, and what is unhappiness? It is opposite to happiness. So whatever the situation or state is there, we don't want to like or don't want to live in that particular situation. It is a conflict and contradiction, is your unhappiness. Okay, then question number 23, business ethics. What is the business ethics? There is a business ethics, there is a computer ethics is there, professional ethics is there. Okay, so business ethics nothing but is the study of good and evil, right and wrong, just and unjust actions in the business. That is your business ethics. Then next is, what is the computer ethics? It is a set of moral principles that regulate the use of computer. That is your computer ethics. And the next is a value. So what is the definition of values? It can be defined as the principle that guide people's lives and having varying significance. That is your values. What is the non-violence? Is expressed when all the human values are understood and practiced. That is a your non-violence. Violence, non-violence. When we are going to understand human values and we are practice that human values in actual our life, then it is a non-violence. Okay. Question number 28, right conduct has its root in the Sanskrit word dharma. And question number 29, peace requires the capacity for introspections and self-awareness. And there are two values of two types of values, that is the intrinsic values, extrinsic values. So this is about today's class. Next question we are going to discuss in the next class. Thank you.